RBI will conduct over 1 lakh crore rupees worth open market operations in 2 tranches. Vishwanath Nair joins us with more details on this.
Right. So as the Reserve Bank of India is conducting various liquidity injection operations over the last couple of months, actually, now with the latest announcement coming in that about a 1 lakh crore open market operation, which will be done in 50,000 crore tranches, just 2 tranches of that. Alongside that, an important announcement is on the US dollar buy swap auction, which the RBI will conduct on the 24th of March. There again, it will be a $10 billion auction, which will be conducted for a period of 36 months. That's about 3 years. And that one is also very important because remember that the RBI has only recently conducted an auction on the 4th of March. They conducted a $10 billion auction for 3 years, and that's intended to supply more rupees or more rupee liquidity into the ecosystem, which is currently still at a deficit. Now, some estimates suggest that the deficit has since come down after the US dollar buy swap auction has been conducted, the last one. But it is expected that going ahead, you will see further reduction in liquidity, which will necessitate a liquidity injection from the Reserve Bank of India. Apart from all of this, the Reserve Bank of India is already conducting daily variable rate repo auctions, which are also intended to put more rupee liquidity in the ecosystem. A recent report by SBI Research had in fact suggested that the RBI will have to do significant amount of such liquidity infusions because there has been a lot of rupee usage in the economy. A lot of rupee money hasn't withdrawn from banks, especially for events like, for example, the Mahakumbh, where a lot of money was actually, a lot of cash was actually used to conduct transactions at this event. And on top of that, of course, there's government outflows, there's tax payments, all of this that is coming up closer to the end of the financial year. A lot of companies will pay their necessary taxes. So a lot of money will go out of people's hands and will end up in government accounts. So it's essential that the RBI provides this liquidity at the time that it is providing right now.
Vishwanath, just a follow-up on that, what is, if you have to sum it up in the 3 major takeaways from this measures that we are seeing from RBI, what is the key takeaway that we are seeing and the impact, the major impact on it?
Well, the key takeaway is simple. It's basically going to be, large liquidity infusion from the Reserve Bank of India as we're reaching towards the end of the financial year. And that would mean that there will be a lot of rupee availability in the market. You might see in the forex market tomorrow, you might see the rupee weakening against the dollar a little bit, but it won't be that severe is what most traders are expecting. Having said that, of course, the RBI has been intervening heavily in the market to control that movement. As far as an impact is concerned, the thing is that currently the banking system needs that liquidity infusion so that it continue doing their business of lending to the economy. And it's clear that if the government intends to achieve its growth target for this financial year, then bank lending is an important component, and therefore these liquidity infusions will aid in that, which will then support overall growth.